Hope you understand back and front part drafting part and did the paper pattern. Here I am showing the plain sleeve drafting instructions for the blouse. So please note it down and you can take a printout for the further use. For sleeve, always take the folded paper to draw the pattern because this may place the paper pattern open and place on the fabric so that it requires on the fold. Showing the pattern of the sleeve. So 0 to 1 is the full length of the sleeve. How much you want, if it is short or medium as per your choice, including 1.5 inch for the bottom fold for hemming. 0 to 2 is the total width of the sleeve, that is 1/4 of the bust plus half inch. Same here, it is 1 to 3. Join 1 3 2 0 to draw a rectangle shape. Mark only some points, that is 4 is the middle point of 0 to 2, 5 is the middle point of 0 to 4, 5 to 6 is 1/4 inch, 4 to 7 is half inch, and 7 to 8 is 1.25 inches. Measure and mark. Here 9 point is same as 2 to 4 for the middle length sleeve. If it is short sleeve, then measure and mark 9 as the center point of 2 to 3. 10 to 11 and 1 to 11A is the half of the sleeve bottom measurement and plus 1 inch for seam. Measure 11A to 12, that is half inch only. Now draw a straight line on 11 to 11A. This hemline folding for the sleeve is for that to cover and match with these edges so that it will be not be short and your finishing will be nice. Match the points to draw the sleeve shape. First match 12, 11 and 9, join. Draw armhole shape, match the points and join them with the straight scale, that is 9, 7, 6 and 0 for the back armhole shape. Join 9, 8 and 6 for the front armhole shape with the straight scale, because after joining the scale you will get some points. Here you can draw smooth shape later on. Same you do on 7 and 8. Point for the sleeve will be 1, 12, 11, 9, 7, 6 and 0. Open the paper from the fold and cut front armhole shape on 9, 8, 6, that will be only one side. Showing the general placing of paper pattern for the blouse. So first place the back part and then the sleeve part, because this is back part is on fold and sleeve part we need 2 sleeves. Then place front part on the bias like this on the cross so that the fitting will be very nice. And the belt part you can adjust here and there. If you are getting here then fine, if not then you can place here also or wherever you want, wherever you are getting the paper. So this way you can take, and the other whatever the rest of the fabric you can cut for the plackets. 2 plackets you need, 1.5 inch and 1 inch 2 inch 2 plackets. As per the length of the front part you can measure the length this way, how much the length you need that, and add 2 inch more, that is 1.5 inch and 2 inch length, 2 plackets and neck strips. And for to finish the back waistline cut 1 inch this much of strip, add 1 inch extra. So these are the strips you required for the common general that placing of the blouse. Time you get the pattern, that some design or embroidery or something, then also the placing will be this way. If the design is for back part and to sleeve also, then this way you will get the both side pattern.
Now to place the paper pattern, first place the fabric this way. The wrong side will be on the top and mark the cross for the wrong side. Both side I have marked already here and this side also. This way you place. Place this way, so in such a way so that fold will be on your side and the open will be on the other side. Now we are going to place the paper pattern on the fabric. Now we need two sleeves, that is why we are placing the sleeves first. After placing the sleeve pattern, paper pattern on the fabric, I am seeing that the width of the sleeve is lesser on the fabric. So this happens so many times when we are getting the blouse piece matching to the saree, then this to get the border and all, we are not getting the proper width. Then how to place? Now I opened the fabric fully and according to the length of the sleeve, I folded the fabric. Now I am going to place the paper pattern of the sleeve on this. Now I placed the paper pattern of the sleeve on the fabric. Now I am getting the full width. Now I fixed the paper pattern on the fabric with the help of the awl pins. Now I am drawing the outline of the sleeve pattern on the fabric this way. After marking the sleeve outline, I fix the awl pin inside the outline where we have to cut, so that both the sleeves will cut similar. Now we are cutting the sleeve part first. Always cut correctly on the marking. Now I folded the fabric on the width according to the width of the back part, and I placed the back part by following the fold. Here is my open and here the fold is. Now I placed my back part paper pattern by following the fold, and now I am going to fix it with the awl pin, and then afterward we will cut it. Now we fix the back paper pattern on the fabric and fixed with the awl pin around. Now we are going to cut the back part. Now we are cutting the shoulder part and back armhole. Our back part cutting is over. Now the rest of the fabric we folded twice. This is the fold, and here we kept our front part. We don't need the fold here because front open is here. I placed the paper pattern of the front part on the fabric this way and fixed with the awl pins. Now I am going to cut it. Now for the front lower, that waist part, we need the belt pieces. That is, the one side it will be 2 layer of the fabric. Suppose right side that will be the 2 layer of fabric, and the left side also 2 layer of the belt. I already marked the 3-piece belt here. Wherever you get the fabric, there only you place the paper pattern, accordingly you mark this way, and now we are going to cut out the marking. Now our waist belt part for the front, it is ready after cutting this way. For the one side it is 2 layer of fabric, and the other side also it is 2 layer of fabric. Now we have some strips for the back waist part to finish. This is the 1.5 inch width of the strip to finish the back waist. And for the hook placket, here we have two plackets, one is 2 inch width and one is 1.5 inch width, and few of the bias fabric strips to finish the neckline. This way you mark the 1.5 inch or quarter to 2 inch. This way you mark the cross lines for the neck strip to finish neckline. And now we are going to cut this. If you have the rest of the fabric is more and the neck shape is different, square or V or anything else, then you can just place the back part the same way and cut the same shape of neck strip to finish the neckline. This way we have cut the bias cross strips to finish the neckline, because in my blouse, this blouse neckline is round only, that we can finish easily with the cross bias strip. Now we are going to mark the darts for the front and the back parts by placing the carbon paper and by using this tracing wheel. I have already kept one carbon paper this way down the two front parts. These are two front parts, and then afterwards one more carbon paper this way, and on the top my paper pattern is there. एकदम निशान के ऊपर ऊपर इस तरह से चला लो. This way you will get the mark. This way I have done the same way for the back part, and see here, after removing this carbon paper you are getting the mark both the side for the both the front parts. This way only I am going to do for the other darts also. इस तरह से हम सारे डार्ट की मार्किंग करेंगे. इस तरह से अब हम पेपर को हटा देंगे, कार्बन को हटा देंगे और देखेंगे कि हमारी मार्किंग दोनों तरफ से आ गई है. Now I am going to remove the paper pattern and the carbon to see the marking for the front darts the way I have done with the tracing wheel. And this side also is.
Step will be some preparation before starting to stitch. Fold the sleeve bottom part 1/4 inch and 1 inch and hem. Finish the hemming part, so it will be very nice. Next video I'll show the stitching step by step of the blouse and finishing part. So subscribe the channel Home Tailoring by Kusum Sharma, and later on I'll show some other katori blouse, double katori blouse, princess cut blouse and so on. So please subscribe the channel.